Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. For today's vlog, this is going to be the part 2 of the review and details of Nike Air Max Jewell. Without further ado, let's do this. This is the part 2 of my review for Nike Air Max. So yung second item na binili ko, this is Nike Air Max Jewell. The original price is 5,300 kapag hindi siya naka-buy one take one. So, yung buy one take one nila na promo, you will pay for the higher price, which is yung Nike Air Max Command, which is 555, 450, something like that. So, ito yung second item na kinuha ko. First, let's do the details of Air Max Jewell. May kodigo ako. Nike Air Max Jewell aims to deliver a silhouette equipped for the needs of everyday life. It has a memory foam insole and Air Max soft cushioning waffle outsole. So, sabi nila, yung details is one-piece mesh upper, leather overlays, and heel paddle, fuse mud guards, memory foam insole, visible air sole unit, waffle outsole. Sorry, wala na akong video ng actual unboxing or yung mismong bagong picture kasi ginamit ko na siya agad. Gusto kong malaman kung super lambot pa siya sa paa or masakit pa siya sa paa. So, ito yun siya guys. So, yung Nike Air Max Jewell. So, ito siya. Sorry, nagamit ko na to ha. So, hindi ko hawakan yung waffle niya. So, ayan. Again, ang kinuha ko is white and black. So, ayan. Tapos, so, yung sinasabi nila na mesh, ito yun. Gawa siya sa nylon mesh. And then, aside sa nylon mesh, it has leather overlays. So, yung overlays na sinasabi nila is ito. Yan. Overlays na leather. Yan. Sa gilid. Yan. And then, yung other details niya na memory foam insole. Ito, yes. Sobrang lambot niya sa loob yung insole niya. And then, visible air sole unit. Ito yun. Yung talagang ng Air Max. Ayan. And then, waffle outsole. Kagaya ng Air Max Command, ayan siya. Waffle outsole. So, sorry, madumi nga kasi ilang beses ko na nga siyang nagamit. So, for my review about the product, well, since gawa siya sa mesh, and yung insole niya is super duper lambot, sobrang love na love ko yung Jewell. Akala ko kasi nung una, hindi siya ganun kaganda at kalambot sa paa na pwedeng pang gym, pang exercise, at pang everyday na use. So, kagaya nga ng description niya, yes, totoo yung description na it was built or it was made for everyday use kasi sobrang lambot niya, guys. Mas malambot pa siya sa Nike Huarache. Though yun yung first love ko when it comes to sneakers na talagang pang gym, pang everyday, well, may pumapalit na kasi sobrang lambot nga niya na parang halos hindi mo maramdaman na meron kang suot na rubber shoes. Actually, yung ilang beses ko na itong ginamit pag nag-workout ako, tapos kapag nag-grocery, never sumakit yung paa ko. So, it's a win-win for you kung gusto nyo ng rubber shoes na for everyday. Hindi sasakit yung paa nyo at sobrang lambot sa paa. Nike Air Max Jewell yung may recommend ko or Nike Huarache if you like. Yung Nike Huarache ko kasi it's more of super lambot din niya sa paa. Pero, mararamdaman mo kasi yung foam niya na makapal. Ito kasi, hindi. Kasi nga dahil yung foam niya is manipis lang. So, parang wala ka talagang suot kapag ginagamit ko to. If you're a sneakerhead, ang habol mo is yung comfortable sa paa, hindi sasakit yung paa mo, pwedeng pang casual, naka-short, pants, leggings, or whatever na casual wear, then pwede mo yung gamitin or pwede mo yung bilhin. Abangan nyo lang sa Nike Factory Store kung kailan sila magsisale. Normally, meron silang sale, buy one, take one every month. But I know it's not your priority as of the moment because meron tayong coronavirus. So, sana kapag okay na lahat, kapag wala na yung ECQ and a normal life na talaga, ayun, makakita kayo ng rubber shoes nyo na buy one take one sa Nike. If I were you, i-follow nyo sila sa IG and also sa Facebook kasi nag-a-announce sila doon. Okay? Just wanted to share with you guys na itong Nike Air Max Jewell is super ganda kapag naka-short ka, naka-pants, naka-leggings, naka-dress. Siyempre, babagayan mo rin ang color ng dress or ng shorts or ng jeans or ng leggings. Depende. Pero kapag yung, alam na, yung parang everyday use lang na leggings, white t-shirt, ang ganda niya. Or short and then t-shirt, ang ganda niya. Any color ng t-shirt, any color ng short bagay kasi nga white and black. Actually, meron ding ibang color to. Kaso, hindi ko nagustuhan. Kasi, tulad ng sabi ko sa video ko, dun sa Air Max Command, ang gusto ko is yung magagamit ko sa lahat, panglahatan. So, ito siya, black and white. That is my overall review for the Nike Air Max Jewell. So, if you will ask me, Lani, ilang stars yan para sa'yo? 5 stars kasi totoo yung description niya and also yung details na binigay nila dun sa shoes. So, I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and of course, subscribe to my channel. Click mo na rin yung notification bell so you can continue to support me whenever I upload a new content. Thank you for watching, beauty. See you on my next vlog. Bye!